Coffee time. So, update lang sa tirzepatide injection ko. So, nag-usap kami ng doktor ko last week. So, bababaan na naman niya ng dosage. So, from 3.75, magiging 3 na lang. So yeah. So, every week, no, not every week, but every 2 or 3 weeks, pababa na ako ng dosage. So, I'm very happy about it. So, 5:30 na ng umaga. Punta na tayo sa work. Yes. Hi, kakatapos ko lang sa work. It's already 2:54. So, pupunta tayo kina Opa at kukunin natin si Brian. Alles gut? Ja. Baka na IKEA, Brian? Baka na Kinderstool kijken? We're going to check for a chair for you. Yeah? So, andito na si Brian. So, punta muna kami ng IKEA kasi may titingnan akong upuan para kay Brian. Nasira na kasi yung upuan niya, kailangan niya yun sa bahay. So, yeah. Hello, Brian.
Hello.
Okay, where is the entrance, Brian? I think it's there. There. So, yeah. Nakarating lang namin dito. Watch out, ha? Watch out. Nanda yung entrance. Dito. So, tignan natin kung may makikita ba tayong Kinderstool or upuan para kay Brian. Kasi tinapon ni Rene yung upuan niya Nagre-reklamo to si Brian kasi sometimes gusto niya manood ng TV na nakaupo. Kaso nga lang, sa couch namin, yun nga, dumi-dumi na. Kasi dun din siya kumakain. So, we'll see. Welcome to IKEA. Hey, hold. Okay. Hold. Brian, say hi.
Hi.
Where are you now? I am in IKEA. Jump. Hold, Brian. This is very funny. This one, do you want it? Here, I can hear Zuko. Come. We're going to look more. Over there. Come. Oh, Brian, we forgot to get a card. Can you come with me? Very nice. Ganda naman yung display nila. Yes? Yeah, but yeah, we're going to look for chair for Brian. Shall we go now? Because we have to hurry, Brian. Oh, kaya Panda ate the favor. Come, let's. Brian. Hey, look. Do you like this stool then? Do you like this? Brian? Can you sit? Can you sit here? Can you sit? Yeah, do you like that? Do you like the chair? Parang nice to siya. Hindi naman to siya vanity chair, pero parang nice siya. Sa pang-office to. Nice siya, pero ayoko lang yung color. Pero parang wala namang ibang color dito. Ano ba to? Let me check. Real Boo. Let's go, Brian. Let's look further. is my favorite color. Yeah, that's so nice. What is that? What is that? Go. Can we go further? Wow. Wow, this is so nice. Oh my goodness. I love color green. I love color green. Okay. Barum. Wow. This is so nice. Remote peg ko. Nice, right? Yeah. What is that? Ah, memory. Magaling to siya sa memory. Ryan, can it look? Oh, Hailtail didn't. There's a lot of animals. This is what Brian likes. Like a paradise. So, huh? Yeah. Siya bengkek ah. La, sige. La. La. Come. Oh, here, Brian. Naku, nabili. Ito. Brian, dito. Ito, mura lang to. Brian, magkano ka? Ay. So, napili ko na yung dalawang chair. So, hahanapin ko na lang yun sa, ano nila, warehouse tawag niya. So, yun na yun. Nagustuhan ko yung color kasi nagmamatch siya sa cabinet ko. At saka naman yung ano ni Brian, yung chair, white, para maiba naman kasi super dark kasi ng living room namin eh. So, okay lang yun. And then yung chair ko, kasi darating na yung drawer na in-order ko bukas. So, set up ko na yun. Also planning to buy, I'm also planning to buy IKEA meatball. Yes. Hey, don't move so much, please. Don't move so much. Sorry. Yes, I'm going to yung famous IKEA meatballs. Ita-try ko for dinner tonight. White? Wala silang white. Ubusan. I think here. Ito pala. Oh my God. This one for Brian. Okay, now we're gonna check Mama's chair. Okay? Let me check my chair. Ito, so that is pack 26, Stelling 26 and pack 37. Let's go. Hey, watch out, ha? I think I saw it. Here, 26. And here we're going to pack 37. Yeah, can your mama help her? Look at 30. Zaven and Derta, 37. Let's see. Well, here, Daisy can. This side, yeah? 37. You see? You see it? No? Should be somewhere here. Oh, here, 37. This one. Yeah. This one. Oh my god, the box is so big, Brian. Oh my goodness. Ito ba yung gravy? It's not that much actually. Sauce. So I'll take 3. And then let's look for the meatballs. Okay, here. I have it here. Okay, meatballs. We'll take the way of here. Dito tayo babayan. Ito yung nakakainis kasi hindi ko na alam kung saan kami nag-park. So, ikot-ikot muna tayo. Ay, baka dun. Alam ko na. Oh, there. Found it. Thank God, nakita ko. Kanina pa kami paikot-ikot. Ik denk boven. Yeah. Oh my God. Umuulan. Kararating lang namin. Diyos ko Lord. Yeah. Nasa car pa yung pinamili ko. Mamaya na kasi grabing ulan. Kaloka. Excited na ako i-try itong itong meatballs. Excited na ako i-try ito. And titignan ko kung meron pa ba kaming fries at saka green peas. I know marami kang bili. Air fryer. And walang fries. So bibili muna ako ng french fries sa supermarket. And then mag-start na ako magluto for dinner. Chinek ko, ang maganda pala ang i-partner ng meatballs is mashed potato. So mag-mashed potato ako and lingonberry jam. So bumili din ako ng lingonberry jam. Kaya talaga. So ito yung gravy niya, sauce. Puti na lang, meron pa akong maraming natira. Yeah. Good so. Also that white one. Dali lang. No, put it inside. Oh, the car. Dankjewel. Thank you. Oh, Jim. No, not on the sofa. Just on the floor. Dankjewel. Dankjewel. Potato, this is the green peas, and the gravy sauce. And Ryan. Tapos na rin yung sweet potato, just in time. Sarap kaya. Look at that. Good? You, is it good?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Look. Good?
First of all, good man.